In continuation with reports, scientists studied 3D model of spider webs and they used a computer to make unisorsum. A computer programs checks the density of with if this density was higher, the music was more complicated. It was no usual music but melody, which science shows that speakers could feel. People cannot hear what speaker communicates because us ear cannot hear signals of frequency. Scientists hope that one day they can communicate with a spider. A spider wings are very strong and their score is 5 times stronger than a stork. Scientists believe that in the future they can use in construction. Be Erica Regis.